Okay students, now we have taken question number 4. Let us write the left hand side. It is 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. Okay, now what we will do here, let us write 1 by sec a. Let us separate them, each term sec a by sec a. Now what is 1 by sec a? Is cos a plus sec a by sec a is 1. Alright, now here we are unable to get the right hand side. So for that what we will do, let us take the right hand side. This is sin square a 1 minus cos a. When you will be expert, then from here only you can prove this also. Okay. Now this sin square a, according to the first identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So what is sin square a? 1 minus cos square a. So that 1 minus cos square a, let us write here. This is 1 minus cos a. Now this 1 is 1 square we can express. This is of the form a square minus b square, which is 1 plus cos of a 1 minus cos of a. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is 1 minus cos a. We can cancel these two because they are same. So this is 1 plus cos a. So you can check this left hand side and right hand side, we have got the same expression. So therefore this left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way we can prove it. Now let's students, we have taken question number 5. Let us write the left hand side. This is cos of a minus sin of a plus 1. This is cos of a plus sin of a minus 1. What we have to do? We have to convert in terms of cosec a plus cot a. Now from this cos and sin, how can we get these two terms? Let us see. From cos a we cannot get cosec a, but we can get cot a. So what we will do? Let us take the help of that idea only. This cos a, each term let us divide by sin a. Each term sin a by sin a plus this 1 by sin a. We are dividing each term by sin a. Then in the numerator we are dividing each term by sin a. So similarly we have to divide each term in the denominator by sin a. So cos of a by sin a plus sin a by sin a minus 1 by sin a. So this is cos a by sin a is cot a minus sin a by sin a is 1 plus 1 by sin a is cosec of a. Cos a by sin a is cot a plus sin a by sin a is 1 minus cosec a. Okay. Now in the remaining part, this denominator will remain same throughout. Okay, unless and until we cancel it. So in each line we shall write same. So this can be expressed as, let us say this cot a, then this cosec a. Let us just arrange the terms. Denominator will remain same. This will remain same, cot a plus cosec a. Now here we have to apply something. What is the identity? You see, identity is cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Dear students, here in these expressions the square is missing, so we cannot apply in place of cosec a or cot a this identity. Here in place of this one, let us apply whatever result we get. What we will get? Is equal to 1. So in place of 1, let us apply this cosec square a minus cot square a. as minus sign is there, so we shall take the help of bracket. So this is cosec square A minus cot square A. This will remain same. Now again same thing here, this is cot A plus this is cosec A minus, this is of the form a square minus b square. So let us factorize in the form of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is cosec A plus cot A cosec A minus cot A. Same thing, let us keep them in bracket. If you observe carefully, is anything common? This cot A plus cosec A, and it is cosec A plus cot A. It is same thing. So let us take this as common. This is cot A plus cosec A. This is taken common, so 1 will be left, minus this is taken common, so it will be left cosec A minus cot A. This is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now let us do the remaining part. So this is equal to, this is cot A plus this is cosec A 1 minus, how can we simplify this? This is cosec A minus minus plus cot A, and here it is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Let us keep them in bracket. Now if you observe here, you see they are same, 1 1 minus cosec A plus cot A plus cot A. So taking this as a single term we can cancel. So what is left? This is cot A plus cosec A. What is the demand of the question? This is cosec A plus cot A. So let us arrange it little bit again. Cosec A plus cot A. This is the right hand side. Alright students,